Hello, hi guys! Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. This is Chin from Masaguri Channel, a faith healer o Zomatar. So ngayong gabing to, tingnan natin ano gusto sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. This is a weekly gabay for the month of November 24 hanggang November 30 for the sign of Scorpio. Scorpio, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasagap for today's video? Kano naman kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Scorpio signs ang ating mga ginap? So guys, this reading is a journey din lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And hit up kayo for more videos update. And of course, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalong-lalo na hindi nag-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain po kayo ng Diyos at may kapansiksik digdig na umapambiyay manabalik sa inyo. So, kumapit-kapit ka na dahil lahat na namin sa'yo ng ating mga gabay. Angel Spirit Messages, give me information for the sign of Scorpio for a weekly gabay. There's a Six of Swords transition. So, may mga bagay na magbabago na. Kumapit ka. May mga bagay na magbabago. And of course, there's a Page of Swords, information. May mga bagay na malalaman mo. May mga bagay na magbibigay sa'yo ng informasyon, ideas, plans. So, there's an information na, kumbaga, magdadala sa'yo ng, kumbaga, changes, transition. And of course, guys, there's Seven of Pentacles. So, there's an harvest time. So, this is the moment na kumbaga makakukuha mo na yung what you deserve. And of course, there's a Death card. There's an ending and a new beginning. So, tinatapos na yung mga, kumbaga, matumal na stages or something na, kumbaga, yung kung mga bagay na pinaghirapan mo, ang tagal-tagal dumating. So, this is the moment na ito na darating na siya. Kumapit ka na. So, there's a transformation din, ha? At the same time, there's King of Wands. So, there's an information na, kumbaga, control, stability, stable, so, ganon. So, there's a higher power na, kumbaga, may paninindigan ng disiplina, ganon. And of course, there's Three of Cups. So, there's Three of Cups represent na celebrations, no? And because there's a Ten of Wands. So, matatapos na yung burden. Matatapos na yung, kumbaga, obligation, responsibilities, or either, kumbaga, yung paghihirap, pasanin. So, let's see what is the Page of Swords. So, there's a Sun card. Wow, of your positivity. Kumbaga, magbibigay ito ng information sa'yo, no? Kumbaga, ng ideas or something curious, no? Kumbaga, may mga bagay na gusto mong malaman. So, this is it. Malalaman mo na. So, what is the Seven of Pentacles? So, there's there's a Hermit card. So, there's soul searching or soul enlightenment. May mga bagay na maglilinaw sa about sa spirituality, about sa finances. So, bibigyan ng kasagutan sa lahat ng katanungan. Of course, there's a Five of Wands. There's a conflict. So, ibig sabihin, tinatapos na yung conflict sa'yo. Ang competitor. So, maraming taong gusto kang pabagsakin. So, this is it. The Death card is a there's a Scorpio signs, no? Scorpio chart. So, that card is a Scorpio na sinasabi dito, a transformation. There's an ending and a new beginning, no? Kumbaga, matatapos na, no? Yung mga bagay na yan. So, let's see what is the King of Wands. So, there's a Six of Wands. There's a victory and success. So, yun nga, diba? Magkaroon ka ng disiplina and control. Sana mang niyang eksena na yan, magkakaroon ka ng victory and success. Let's see what is a Three of Cups. And of course, there is a Page of Wands. So, there's a good news, no? May magandang balita na mag-aantay sa'yo. And of course, na new ideas and new plans. So, let's see what is the Six of Swords. And of course, there's a Ten of Wands. So, there's a Knight of Cups. So, there's a wish fulfillment. So, ito yung sinasabi na sa dami mong pinagdaan, ang sakripisyo at paghihirap. So, ito na yung, kumbaga, katuparan sa pangarap. Ganon, di ba? Kumbaga, some of you mayroon pa rin binibit-bit na, kumbaga, pasanin. No, pero, don't you worry, kasi naka-line up na yan na magkakaroon ka ng victory and success. And because there's a wish fulfillment, no? lasapin mo yan, namnamin mo yung nararanasan mo kasi at the end of the time, there's a bittersweet, no? Pagkatapos ng pait, may tamis ng tagumpay. And of course, there's a Four of Swords. Listen to your intuition, listen to your gut feelings. So, pananatiliin mo makinig ka sa inner voice, either sa iyong intuitions, either sa iyong vibrations, ganon. So, let's see what is the Seven of Pentacles and the Hermit card. And of course, guys, there's a Two of Cups. So, there's a partnership. So, this is the harvest time. Kumbaga, dahil sa pagbubuklod ng inyong spiritual na with your partner, kumbaga, makukuha nyo na yung matagal nyo nang inaasam-asam. Yung hindi lang sa pagmamahal, kundi sa tagumpay na, kumbaga, talagang pinagbuklod kayo ng tadhana at pagkakataon. So, let's see what is the Death card and the Five of Wands. So, there's the Hangman. So, ibig sabihin na ito yung nagbigay sa'yo ng delays. And of course, nagbigay sa'yo ng cancellations. Itong conflict na to, itong mga tao na kompetensya mo. So, sinasabi dito sa'yo, there's a Death card, there's an ending. Tatapusin na yan. So, let's see what is the King of Wands. And of course, the Six of Wands. So, there's a King of Pentacles. There's a security. So, magkakaroon ka ng secure about sa finances. Now, let's see what is the Three of Cups. And of course, there's a there's a Page of Wands. So, there's a Star card. A wish fulfillment and a wishes granted. So, magtatagumpay ka na. There's a hope and miracles coming in for you. See? A celebration that waiting for. Ito na yun, So, let's see what is the outcome. There's a Knight of Wands, so slow and steady. So, panatiliin kalmado. Hindi ka kailangan maging agresibo o padalos-dalos. Kailangan panatiliin mong kumalma. And of course, there's a Five of Swords. Mag-ingat. Kasi there's a self-sabotage. So, some of you, there's an information na binibigay mo. Either nagbibigay ka ng thoughts and ideas. So, this is it na, kumbaga, may mga plano ka tapos nadidelays that because of may mga taong, kumbaga, naiingit behind your back. Nagkukwento ko sa tao na to kung pala ang lakas ng, kumbaga, ng negativities or toxic nitong tao na to. So, ang tendency, madidelay yung mga bagay na ginagawa mo. So, wag ka magkukwento sa mga taong ang laki ng inggit sa katawan. So, like I said na, kumbaga itong tao na to may something negative to. So, wag ka mag-share sa kanila ng thoughts or ideas. Kasi, kumbaga there's an evil eye. Magkakaroon siya ng, hindi man nila alam yung mga ganun. Nagkakaroon kasi sila ng inggit sa katawan nila na, yung inggit na nababanggit nila by vibrations, na kumbaga verbal expression, no? Yung may verbal expression na nababanggit nila na hindi yan matutuloy, gato ganyan, na sana hindi makuha, gano'n. Kumbaga, nagkakaroon ng gano'n. Kasi there's an inggit talaga, no? And of course, there's a temperance, sa perfect timing. So, don't you worry, kahit anong klaseng ma-delay yan, no? Kumbaga, makukuha mo pa rin yan at the end of the time. So, let's see. There's a perfect timing. Divine timing. So, there's an healing. Magkakaroon ka din ng healing. And of course, there's a Queen of Cups. And of course, there's an healing talaga, no? In all factor, in all aspect. At the same time, there's the Ace of Cups. There's an offer, a new romance, a new love life, or something, a romantic feeling began. Ganon, magsisimula ng panibagong eksena. So, let's see what is the Yin and Yang Oracle card. What is the power of the deck? So, there's a tower moment, a sudden changes, no? May mga bagay na magbabago. And of course, the chaos, so, may mga bagay na kumbaga, mabubuo, masisira, may mga bagay na magre-reveal. So, ibig sabihin dito, there's a sudden changes. There's a beautiful disaster, something, major changes or surprises, ganon. So, let's see what is the Yin and Yang Oracle card. And of course, there's a past, no? There's a lack, suffering. So, ibig sabihin, nakakaranas ka pa talaga ng about sa nakaraan, no? Meron pa tungkol sa nakaraan. And of course, there's a alchemist ancestors. Don't you worry, ginagabayan ka raw ng iyong mga mahal sa buhay na yumao. At the same time, there's a guarded. Oh my God, ginagabayan ka ng ating mga gabay, even your ancestors. Maraming gabay na gumagabay sa'yo. Kumapit ka lang. So, let's see what is, Love Oracle card. And of course, guys, there's self-indulge. Focus on yourself, no? Mag-focus ka sa sarili and there's a time to heal, no? Talagang pagagalingin niya yung sugat ng kahapon. And the golden mirror, no? There's a one-sided relationship or something, a one-sided person, no? Kumbaga, kung itong tao na to mahilig tong tanggap lang ng tanggap, no? May ganun tao, kaya mag-ingat ka dyan. And of course, there's a camera. So, there's a reminiscence by keep safe and learn from the past. Matuto ka na sa nakaraan mo. Matuto ka na sa mga pinagdaanan mo. Diba? Ganun talaga yon. So, let's see what is the Magical fairy messages. What is the magical fairy messages for you? Spiritual teacher, or some of you, you are also healer, no? You are also, kumbaga, kailangan mo ng spiritual teacher, ganon. Kumbaga, kailangan mo ng albularyo or manggagamot na magtutulong sa'yo, na, kumbaga, yung mga bagay na gusto mong malaman, no? For some of you, you are, kumbaga, you are a massage therapist, or something, you are manghihealer at magtatawas, or something na tarot reader, no? May about spiritual abilities ka rin. And of course, there's whom do you need to forgive, no? Kung sino yung dapat mong kailangan mong pakatawarin, no? As you release old anger or resented, you will find that your wishes will come in true. So, ibig sabihin, kailangan mo magpatawad. Kailangan mong patawarin yung mga tao na yan na nagbibigay sa'yo ng, kumbaga, yun nga, kumbaga, nagbigay sa'yo ng, kumbaga, sakit at talagang paghihirap. So, kailangan mo pa silang patawarin, hindi para sa kanila, para sa sarili mo. Na, kumbaga, may mga bagay kasi nagbibigay blockages. Yan siguro isa sa yan sa nagbibigay blockages sa'yo. So, let's see what is Archangel Michael messages for you. And of course, let's see. Forgive yourself, you did nothing wrong. Patawarin mo yung sarili mo. Yun siguro yung kumbaga forgiveness. Patawarin mo yung sarili mo kasi wala ka namang ginawang masama. Sila ang gumawa ng hindi maganda against sa'yo. And honor and trust your feelings. Na magtitiwala ka sa nararamdaman mo and vibration and inner voice at the same time. There is your children are watch over by angels. Some of you, kung may mga anak kayo, ginagabayan daw to ng ating angel spirit. Or either kung may mga kapatid kayo or may mga mahal sa buhay kayong bata, so ginagabayan daw yan ng ating mga gabay. So, let's see what is the angel's messages. And because there's an empathy. So, sinasabi dito, there's open seeing both side of situation. So, kailangan tingnan mo parehas yung sitwasyon. Huwag kang tumingin, huwag kang maging one-sided. And of course, there's an happiness. Magkakaroon ka ng kaligayahan dito. And of course, you are also on the right path. So, let's see what is additional messages. And of course, there is a red by survival. So, ibig sabihin, you are also a survivor. No? Talagang hindi ka di ba? Talagang makakaligtas at makakaalis ka sa situation. Kahit na down ka, nandun ka sa kumbaga, wala ka na pag-asa, pero biglang angat. Kasi nga, di ba, you are also survivor. And there's a problem solving. So, masusolusyon na yung mga problema pinagdadaanan mo. And of course, there's a evolution. So, there's information by transformation. May mga bagay na magbabago na. May iba na. Gano'n. Kumbaga, may mga bagay na magta-transform na. So, let's see what is ontology. Bring love in this situation hanggat mahalin mo yung sitwasyon mo. Kumbaga, magtatagumpay ka sa ano man larangan na gusto mo. And show the world, nothing will come this situation. Walang mangyayari sa isang situation nang hindi ka nagtitake ng action. And of course, show the world the real you. Ipakita mo sa mundo kung sino ka talaga. No? Let's see what is the energy. Let's see what is the energy. There's a victory. So, magtatagumpay ka talaga dito. There's a victory. And of course, there's a door to the value. So, maraming salapite. Kumbaga, magkakaroon ka na kasaganahan dito. Kumbaga, there's a 6 or 7 digits dito on your bank na magkakaroon ka, no? There's a dollar. And of course, guys, there's a door to spirit. May pintuan din talaga about sa spirituality sa'yo. No? You are also, kumbaga, gifted. No? There's a lot of gifted dito na Scorpio. So, let's see what is Archangel, what is chakra messages. Soulmate. So, you are also on a soulmate connections. And there's a vanity. Iwasan mo yung mga walang kabuluhang bagay. Iwasan mo to. And of course, there's a forgiveness. There's a forgiveness behind talaga. Kailangan mo talagang patawarin yung sarili mo. Or patawarin yung mga tao sa paligid mo. Additional messages. And of course, there's a book, no? Kumbaga, may kanya-kanya tayong chapter. Maaring, kumbaga, hindi mo pa chapter ngayon. May mga maaring hindi mo pa panahon ngayon. May mga darating yung araw na babasahin na ng kapalaran yung buhay mo. So, kapag nandun ka na sa moment na yon, galingan mo. And light and love. So, magkaroon ka ng kaliwanagan at pagmamahal, no? Hindi para lang sa sarili mo, para sa ibang tao. There's a healing by light and love. So, let's see what is additional messages. Parang sinasabi dito, guys, ang lakas ng energy dito na parang gustong sabihin ng angel spirit na linisin mo yung sarili mo, no? Hindi ko sinabi madumi ka. Sinasabi ko lang, linisin mo yung sarili mo sa negativities. And of course, sinasabi dito, there's a cold, soul gift and training. It's time to step up. So, kailangan mong bumangon, kailangan mo to sa sarili mong mga paa na, kumbaga may, kung there's a soul na regalo sa iyo ng ating angel spirit na, or either ng ating Panginoon na there's a missions na dapat mong gawin. So, let's see what is the Romance Angels. And of course, there's an attraction. So, you are also attracted, no? Maraming taong malakas ang dating mo daw, no? Kumbaga, may mga taong may gusto sa'yo, may lihim na may gusto sa'yo. Kumbaga, some of you talagang malakas ang atake mo. Mabilis kang makaano ng ibang tao. So, let's see what is Arcangel Raphael. Arcangel Raphael, messages for you. Okay. Give me an information, Arcangel Raphael. So, exercise is the key. So, some of you, kailangan nyo na exercise, ha? Exercise, tamang diet, or something, no? So, let's see what is the Jesus loving quotes. What is the Jesus loving quotes? What things soever you desire, when you pray it, believing that you receive them and you have them, no? So, ibig sabihin dito, lahat daw ng mga bagay na pinagdadasal mo, lahat ng mga bagay na gusto mo makuha, lahat ng mga bagay na hinihingi mo at pinapangarap mo, maniwala ka, matatanggap mo yan, no? At makukuha mo yan ayon sa kalooban ng Diyos kung karapat-dapat para sa'yo, no? So, let's see what is the angel's answer. So, meron tayo guys na angel's answer dito. So, mag-iisip kayo ng question, kung ano yung magiging question nyo. Then, of course, ito yung magiging kasagutan. Magbibilang ko ng 3, kailangan nakapag-isip na kayo, no? One, 2, 3. Nakapag-isip na ba, guys? Okay. Angel's answer, give me information. Within the next few weeks. So, oh my God. Ito yung, sa mga susunod na linggo daw. No? And of course, let's see. There's a trust. Oh my God. So, kailangan mo daw magtiwala. No? Kung yung bagay na yun ay para sa'yo at yung hinihingi mo ay para sa'yo. And there's a reconsiderations or reconsider, no? Kailangan mo daw i-consider din yung mga ibang bagay, no? Siguro there's an information na kumbaga makukuha mo yan some other way, some other thing, or some other options, ganon. So, let's see what is angel's number. So, and of course, there's a trust sa magtiwala ka daw. Let's see what is the angel's number. There's a 7. I am brilliant. Oh my God. Matalino ka daw. Char. So, sinasabi dito, you possess a very refined mind and deep urge to uncover life mysteries. Your ability to acquire vast knowledge on both the informational spiritual planes give you a greater awareness than most. So, ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga mabilis mong makuha yung katanungan na, yung kasagutan sa lahat ng katanungan mo. Kumbaga mabilis ka maka-pick up, mabilis mo mag-gets, mabilis mong malaman, no? Kahit na sinasabi sa dito na, siguro matalas ang analyzation mo or something. Kumbaga, or malakas yung karakas mo or yung parang, yung radar, yung something gano'n. Kumbaga malakas yung ano mo malakas yung atake mo dyan, kumbaga gano'n. Kumbaga sinasabi dito na gamitin mo yan sa mga bagay na alam mo makakatulong sa'yo. So, let's see what is the messages of life. Let's see what is the messages of life. Achievement. Oh my God. So, let's see. As I advance up the road towards achievement, I discover my greatest strength and learn from each challenges. I believe in my truest potential. Today, I have faith in my abilities and myself. I move forward towards the fulfillment of my vision. I reach my objective. I am courageous. I embrace life I am always in a good company on this journey towards the light. So, ibig sabihin dito, alam mo, nasa tamang direksyon ka, no? Kumbaga, nasa tamang proseso, nasa tamang eksena ka. Alam mo na, at the end of the time, lahat ng mga bagay na hinahangad mo at pinapangarap mo, makukuha mo yan at the end of the time. Kumbaga, alam mo, hindi ka bibigoy ng ating mga gabay, basta alam mo, nasa puso mo at nasa pagmamahal mo ang hangarin mo. Hindi lang para sa ikabubuti ng iba, para sa kabubuti ng lahat. So, this is a weekly gabay for the month of November 24 hanggang November 30 for the sign of Scorpio. This reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. And of course, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo na hindi nag-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain po kayo ng Diyos at may kapalisiksik niglig nag-uumapa o manumbalik sa inyong biyaya. Maraming salamat po guys and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!